my cell phone 28 times. Instagram send me again, but I'll memorize it anyway. It was afternoon in December. You remind me of the day we bowed into each other, but you didn't say hi 'cause I look away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I should move on since that night, 'cause it's 12:50 and the feelings are gone. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright. But I gotta dry these tears tonight, 'cause you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. Huh? Yan yung babae.